Hey everybody, so I'm coming to you from the SQ this time. I want to try to show how the traffic jam assistance works on some of the packages. I think it's the driver assistance package might have this feature. So mine is a Prestige, and the way that this works is that on the stock right here, you're going to push in the end. And when you do, if you watch the dash down there by the temperature and the speed limit, you'll see it engaged with some green cars on there. You can use this up and down toggle right here to adjust the distance to keep you. And then you can push up or down on the stock itself to increase or decrease the miles per hour that you want it to go up to. So I'll set it for 40. And so let's see if we can come up here on this car. I'm not going to be touching the brake right now at all. And we're braking and slowing down. Try to get the speedometer in there too. But foot is not on the gas or the brake. And we are continuing to slow. And hopefully we will come to a stop, but Nashville traffic is kind of unpredictable at that point. And if we do, we're going to look down here, and we have a few seconds that the system will stay engaged to where if you do come to a stop, it will automatically start back up. But if you sit there too long, you will have to tap the gas pedal in order to get it going again. Now, if somebody else has different information than that, let me know, because I'm curious. I can't seem to find anything else about it. So let's see if we can get a different traffic situation. Okay, finally got us into a better area for this. So you can see I'm stopped right now, and we're starting to move. Again, foot is not on anything, and then we're picking up speed. And it's kind of braking. It'll keep your distance for you automatically. Let's see if we can get this to stop. This lane always stops, so all right, we're hitting the brakes and watch the dash. All right, not at a full stop. Not sure if we're going to be able to get a full stop. All right, full stop. Watch ACC automatic go. Okay, it just beat it out, so it's going to start accelerating automatically. But if we sit there any longer than that, you will have to tap the gas in order to get it to go. But again, can't really video this without showing how we're stopping and how my foot is not on anything. But hopefully that helps you out a little bit. If you have any questions, hit me up. One more thing, you can also, if you have the lane assist, you can hit this here. That will turn on the lane assist, and you can essentially drive without your hands. You'll have to touch it every now and then because it'll pop up on the screen and tell you it needs feedback. But essentially, if you're in traffic, you can have both of those engaged, and it'll kind of steer itself around. See, there it goes. So I have to wiggle the wheel just a little bit, and it'll go away. But any questions, let me know.